It's day 9 of the 2021 Mystery Quilt by Laundry Basket Quilts. There was a little confusion on about today's block. On the blog post, it was listed as block 9, but when you watch the video, Edyta calls it block 10. And before that, earlier this morning, a completely different block was featured in a video. So they took that one down, put this new one up. Anyway, I'm cutting based on the directions in the blog. These big squares. We'll be making a bunch of quarter square triangles. I've drawn the diagonal lines on my light colors like that. And for this white fabric here, it's the one that you can see through quite a bit. I'm going to be adding some interfacing to the back, like so. And it's not a perfect solution, but it is an improvement. And so I'm gonna take it from there, and I can still see the diagonal line through the interfacing. I'm gonna take these to the machine and sew my first step. Now I have to cut along the diagonal lines and press my half square triangle units open. I've pressed these blocks open, and I've drawn a diagonal line on 4 of each color. And now we're going to go back to the machine and do the same thing we did before. I'm going to press these and I'll be right back. Block 9 is done, but they desperately need a trim. Some of them came out really wonky with a definite lean to one side or the other. See, this one came out big. This one's got a lean. If you have any tips or tricks for cutting quarter square units like this, leave them in the comments below, because I am not sure how I'm going to square these up. If you liked this video, please leave a like or a comment, and I'll see you tomorrow.